Following, it would be the pork. So again, classic Sardinian. In Sardinia, they use suckling pigs, usually 7 to 10 weeks old, so very, very suckling pigs. In this case, we're going to use pork belly. What I'm doing with that, I'm trying to slow cook it as much as I can. And the last step, I will add some salt on top of the skin. At that point, through a chemical reaction called, it's not really a chemical reaction, but it's, how can I say? It's a chemical process called osmosis, which transports water from a cell to another one. In this case, with the salt, we are making sure that the water is going away from that skin and making sure that that skin gets dry, and then once you will heat it up in the oven, get crispy. We're serving it with a very homey side of roasted vegetables with potatoes, carrots, baby carrots, and Spanish onion. Love Spanish onion. And then just a little salsa, which will give a little bit of sweetness that cuts through the intensity of that pork. That salsa would be sultana, walnuts, and brown sugar, and then a little bit of pickled cabbage.
Our third dish has lots of caramelized flavors and a hint of sweetness from the sultanas, plus plenty of fatty richness from the pork. The walnuts in this dish add a nutty astringency, which really makes the fruit sweetness of the red wine stand out. The Gerla 2018 Grenache has a beautiful, elegant palate with a cleansing acid that will really cut through the fatty elements of the dish beautifully. The bright fruit on the palate is a great way to balance the sweetness coming from the sultanas, and it's going to be an awesome wine to pair with your main tonight.